this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Instagram This page is temporarily unavailable issue. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can enable for the option airplane mode and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, you can check the server status of Instagram. To do that, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Instagram server status and search for it. Navigate to the website down detector. Now if you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. Next up, launch Instagram. Now log out and log in back. For that, navigate to profile page, click on three bars, scroll all the way down, click on the option logout and confirm the logout process. Then again log in back. This might also resolve the issue. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete Instagram app. Navigate towards the Instagram app, press and hold on the Instagram app, click on remove app, click on delete. Now head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.